Do you know what today is? Yep, it's present day. Hey everyone, Cristin here, and today is present day. I was really hoping to get this box from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, for 2 scoops. And little did I realize that I was going to get a really big box and some little things too. Thank you everyone, you're so sweet. I appreciate it very much. Lots of fun things. So My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop is sponsoring our 2 scoops bench pillow, which I would think would come in a much smaller box. I'm really curious what this big box is. So I have cut open the top, but I haven't opened it yet. So I thought you'd probably want to see, because it's always fun to see new things. Oh my goodness. Lots of stuff. Okay, look at all of this. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is crazy. I hope 2 scoops is in here too. I'm really excited about the 2 scoops bench pillow. So, oh my gosh, there is so much stuff in here. This is crazy. Sorry, I'm going to get a little choked up. Very, very nice. Thank you. So, Kimberbell Flexifoam. This is excellent. Big package of it. Very nice. Thank you so much, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Yay, look at it. Oh, I have 2. Oh, very, very nice. So, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop is pretty amazing. I'm sure you think so too. So this is the embellishment kit, and it's so fun. I can't wait. It's got that little music player that we've seen the videos on. That will be so fun. And guess what? They sent me 2 so that I can do a giveaway for one of them. How nice is that? So I've been planning that ever since we hit 3,000 members in our Cristin Creates group. And then things got a little busy and I haven't done it yet. Oh my goodness. So that's not all they sent. Wow. 2 scoops. This is the CD that has all of the files on it for making our bench pillow, and there's 2. So I get to play with one and you get to play with one. So we are going to do a giveaway. That's amazing. So guess what else? Look at this. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. Oh my gosh. So how cute is this? Look at 2. I didn't expect this. This is so very nice. Chris, Allison, the entire team at My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, you guys have gone over and above. Always go over and above. I am so very grateful. So 2 scoops, fabric kit, and there's 2 of them. So I get to give away one. Very, very, very amazing. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And then and then there's fun things. This is funny. So wash away sticky back stabilizer. How fun. If you saw that video that I made when I talked about their stabilizer lab that they had, that was a really fun video. That was probably my very favorite video. Kimberbell fusible backing. I use this stuff like it's going out of style. I use so much of it. And this too, the light mesh cutaway. I go through this like it's water, just super, super fast. So, and then, what is this? Ooh, the thread kit. Look at the 2 scoops thread kit. So they made this one out of Hemingworth thread, and I've been really excited because I've never used Hemingworth thread before. And I'm also curious to see if it will fit in my thread containers, but they're so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at how fun. Fun, fun, fun. So these have a little container on them, and it helps it so that your thread won't get all wonky. And I'm not absolutely sure how to use them yet, but I'm going to figure it out really quick. I think that we just put the thread, look at, there's a pretty pink. Oh, this is going to be so fun. Sorry, I'm distracted. I saw pink. That's all it takes. So anyway, I think that what we do is we open up the thread and then we take the little bit out and bring it out through that. That's my assumption. So Hemingway thread, I'm very excited to try it. It's super pretty. Oh my gosh, so fun. Look at these. How fun. How very 2 scoops-ish. Very ice cream-ish. Very fun. Oh my gosh. These are really pretty and they look sparkly. Very fun. All right, so big thread kit. If you haven't already purchased it, it is available on the My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop website. They also have the other one, the Glide, available also, but there's Hemingway or Glide. It's totally up to you. And then look at this. Rainbow sprinkles. I plan on eating a lot of ice cream this month while we're working on the 2 scoops bench pillow. Waffle cone pieces. I've never seen that. Ooh, that looks super yummy. Wow. I'm going to be making lots of ice cream. So I asked on the very first, the announcement video, what your favorite ice cream flavor is. And I want to know, I don't remember what everyone said. My favorite is cookies and cream for sure. Because, you know, you get cookies and ice cream. Can't beat that. Look at this. An ice cream scoop and whisk. Look at how pretty that is. That color. Oh my gosh, I love this. How fun. And a cute little mini spatula. You guys literally thought of everything. And good for the soul. Girlfriend's little notepad. How sweet is that? So much stuff. So this will be extra fun because I get to do a big giveaway. So sponsored by My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, I am going to do a giveaway for all of the extras. How fun it will be. The bench pillow fabric kit and the CD and the embellishment kit. How fun. So much stuff. You guys, it's gonna be fun. Gonna be fun. We're gonna do a giveaway, and I bought a new monitor and new software to try and do it a little differently. So it's gonna be fun for sure. So thank you so much, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. Very fun. Thank you. So I need to know when you get your kits. So from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, from our sponsor, let me know when you get your packages so that I know when you're ready. I am going to try and do a little head start, get ahead of it. I have some stuff coming up, and so I want to jump on this really quick. So please let me know when you have your supplies ready. That's one thing. There was something else I was going to ask you. Well, let me know when you're ready. That's the big thing. And like I said, I'm going to get started on it soon. So what I've seen is most people are done with their spring showers quilt. Some still have a little bit to go, but most are finished or just about there. And then a bunch have already finished their Liberty pillows. So that's amazing. I only have 2 blocks done, but I'm going to whip through that. It's a pretty quick project, I think. And then for the mug rugs, Oma is still shipping out. So she's going to let me know when all of her orders go out. I think that she's expecting them this week to be all done from her shop. So if you haven't received that, let Oma know from Oma Darlings. But we're going to jump into this project, the 2 scoops bench pillow from sponsor My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that. I'm really excited about this one.